And good morning, Santa Monica Ground, Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa IFR to Scottsdale, ready to copy.
Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, Santa Monica Ground, Roger, just a minute.
Okay.
Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, clearance available.
507 Charlie Papa, ready.
Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, cleared to Scottsdale Airport via fly runway heading at the Los Angeles 315 radial. Turn right heading 250. Vectors, the Santa Monica VOR. Outbound on the Santa Monica 125 radial. Victor 64. Thermal. Flight. Then S filed. Maintain 3000. Expect 1000 5 minutes after departure. SoCal departure frequency 125.2. Squawk 2073.
And Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa is cleared to Scottsdale Airport, 5 runway heading. And then the Los Angeles VOR 315 radial, radial 250. Vectors to Santa Monica VOR, outbound 125, Victor 64, thermal, flights, and then is filed. Climb maintain 3000, 1000, 5 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 125.2, squawk 2073.
Cirrus 7 Charlie Papa, most of it was correct. Let me just verify the beginning part to make sure you understand. Fly runway heading at the Los Angeles 315 radial. Turn right heading 250. Vectors to the Santa Monica VOR, and rest of Rebec was correct. Is that what you have? Do you understand it?
All right, so runway heading, and then at the LA VOR, at the 315 radial, turn right to 250, and then vectors to Santa Monica VOR.
7 Charlie Papa, Roger, Rebec correct, and just advise when you're ready to taxi.
7 Charlie Papa.
Santa Monica Airport information, Papa 1951 Zulu observation. Wind calm, visibility 7, sky conditions clear below 12,000. Temperature 18, dew point 8, altimeter 3010. VOR, GPS Alpha and visual approach in use, runway 21. Hazardous weather information for Southern California area available on HIWAS, Flight Watch, and Flight Service frequencies. Use caution for parasailing at the shoreline at or below 500 feet. Turboprop and jet aircraft departing IFR. Contact ground control for engine start. Aircraft in the southeast run-up. Contact ground control to leave the run-up. Advise on initial contact. Give information Papa.
In Santa Monica Ground, Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, information Papa over at the west end of Atlantic, ready to taxi IFR.
Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, Santa Monica Ground, runway 21, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 21, taxi via Alpha, Cirrus 7 Charlie Papa.
Cirrus 7 Charlie Papa, and how long will you need in the run-up area?
About 3 minutes for 7 Charlie Papa.
Roger.
Ground 19896, Santa Monica Aviation with for Southern Channel.
Santa Monica Tower, Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, holding short runway 21 IFR.
Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, Santa Monica Ground, correction, Santa Monica Tower, waiting release.
507 Charlie Papa, run-up is complete, we are ready to go.
Roger. Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa.
Rocket Tower 190 Romeo, is the Cessna ahead of me for the corridor as well?
Negative, Cardinal 190 Juliet Romeo, he's the mini route.
90 Romeo, roger.
For Tango Alpha, contact LA Tower 119.8. Have a nice day.
Contact LA Tower 119.8, 974 Tango Alpha.
07 Charlie Papa, contact SoCal departure. Have a nice day.
Or departure 7 Charlie Papa, we'll see ya. Warning departure, Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, climbing through 1000, heading to 10.
Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 4000.
Up to 4000, Cirrus 7 Charlie Papa.
Cirrus 7 Charlie Papa, turn right, heading 265, vector Santa Monica VOR.
265, vector Santa Monica VOR, Cirrus 7 Charlie Papa.
SoCal 45 Papa, do you have preferred routing or altitude at this point, or you want me to just say where I'm at right now?
No, 45 Papa, whatever works for you. I've got nothing out there right now, so you can go direct or continue along the shore, whatever you want to do there.
I think I'm going to take that little notch over there to the right. Just, I guess once I get close to the top, I'll start dropping down.
Okay, and I'll have Point Magoo here for you in about another 4 or 5 miles.
Okay, thank you, 45 Papa.
And Cirrus 507 Charlie Papa with you.
507 Charlie Papa, circle approach, Los Angeles, altimeter 3009er.
3009 7 Charlie Papa. And for 7 Charlie Papa, do you want to continue on the 125 radio, or do you want to hold the heading at 140?
7 Charlie Papa, fighting 130, and expect on course the next control.
130, and we'll expect the encore 7 Charlie Papa, thanks. 7 Charlie Papa, we have traffic in sight.
There's 7 Charlie Papa, connect approach, 127.2, good day.
127.2, we'll see ya.